everyone, and thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're going to learn how to spiral stems. This is quite an important skill to learn when you're working in any kind of floristry, whether it's for yourself or if you're actually learning floristry. And it's a transferable skill that you can use for bouquets, buttonholes, table arrangements, lots and lots of things. So it's quite essential to learn how to master this. So with spiraling, I'm going to spiral all exactly the same type of flower. I've got some irises just to show you exactly how to do it in the simplest way. So you start with your first main flower and you add one flower and cross the stems like that. Then you take the next flower and add that. For me, I add them to the back. Then you take the next flower and add that to the back again until you start to get enough stems in your hand so that you can then hold it in one hand like that. Then taking the rest of the stems, continue to feed them into the design, and then you can turn them and add in the same direction. So for me, I'm going left to right, always at the back, always left to right. Add them in, turn them round, left to right, and another. Turn them round, and again. So now you're going to end up with all of your flowers being shown on the top, and all of your stems are completely spiraled. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, then please would you like and share. And if you happen to make any of our designs, then I'd absolutely love it if you got back in touch and let us know how you got on. Thanks so much once again. Bye.